The life insurance check has arrived and you're afraid to touch it. I've worked with many clients who have lost a spouse or a loved one, and they'll receive life insurance proceeds and are overwhelmed, don't know what to do with the proceeds. So I advise people not to rush into making any decisions, especially early on. But at the same time, I use that time with my clients to talk about what's important to them, to think about what we should do long term. And then on their terms, when they're ready, we can execute on that plan. I wouldn't want you to rush into making any decisions. At the same time, it's not a good idea to leave life insurance proceeds in cash forever. I work with my clients, I meet them where they are, we come up with a plan, and then when they're ready, we'll talk about what to do with investing the money. I understand that this is a challenging and difficult time in your life, and I'm here to help. Make sure you're planning for what matters most. Check out our website in the link in the bio.